Itulah longkan sudah sakit mai rosura lisan api cuan di hotel nasa memang kan suaka telefon ni anasa memang kan kang lop mai kan lawar law na turte bunas ako mai so siete ho po lu ay rumai so chưa to to rồi ya lo kan lấy tay lo ini tim kami hosa rồi đâu nè cái cho lấy tay lo thật
cái gì chứ anh ta vào biết bỏ
anh đứng cho lấy tay to lên nè dosa po lalu khắp mày hay memory ta món mà đây sẽ ta từ đâu này hay
तो आपको फ्री है मैं घूम ले आना यार थोड़ी घूमने देना पागल हो गया है
Have you gone crazy? Are you crazy, Baba? आखिर कहाँ जाएगा बताओ?
I could not hear. Good evening. Yeah, there should be vibration. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm golden hue over the majestic water of Port Blair, I stand before you filled with immense gratitude and excitement. I, on behalf of everyone at Valley Strong Cement, extend a heartfelt welcome to our esteemed dealers on the eve of Dealers Week 2024. It is indeed our great pleasure to see each one of you gathered here on this auspicious eve. The air is charged with anticipation and rightly so, for tonight is not just any night, it is a celebration of partnership, progress and shared success. We take this opportunity with immense pride to welcome our valued dealers from the vibrant state of Mizoram and the illustrious Barak Valley region. Your presence here is not just participation, it is a testament to the strong bond we have forged over the years. We are here to celebrate together, to acknowledge your unwavering support and the trust you place on us. We must appreciate our dealers who, despite their hectic schedule, have spared their valuable time and undertaken long journey to be part of this program. Your efforts to be here speak volumes of your commitment, and for that we are truly thankful. It is with immense gratitude and pride that I stand before you today at this splendid dealers meet here in the picturesque Port Blair. It is not just the serene beauty of this place that brings warmth to our gathering, but also the presence of each one of you, our esteemed dealers, who are the very backbone of our very strong cement. Reflecting on our humble beginning in 2001 with a production capacity of just 300 metric ton per day, we are filled with awe at the journey we have embarked upon together. It is your unwavering support that had catapulted us to our current capacity of producing 1,000 metric ton per day. This remarkable growth trajectory is the testament to your faith in us and our shared commitment to excellence. Quality is not just a word for us at Barak Valley Cement, it is cornerstone of our business philosophy. We have strived without compromise to ensure that our product stands comparable with reliability and strength. This dedication to quality has enabled us to consistently meet and exceed the expectation of our valued dealers and customers alike. As we gather today, it is not just a celebration of our collective achievements, but also to reveal in the strong bonds we have nurtured over the years. Our dealers are not mere business associates. You are an integral part of Barak Valley Cement family. This familial spirit is encapsulated in our tagline: very strong, very strong. Very strong, very strong. We resonate not just with our product, but also with the robust relationship we cherish with each one of you. As the evening unfolds, let us immerse ourselves in joy and happiness. Let there be laughter, let there be music, let there be light that reflects the colorful spirit of our association. Let us make memories that will cherish, memories that will invigorate us as we forge ahead in our journey. Tonight will be a remarkable day for our company, a milestone event set against the backdrop of this beautiful island, far away from our hometown. It is an event that we will store in our memory bank to be revisited in times to come, reminding us of the beautiful tapestry we have woven together. I hope this dealers meet has offered you a delightful experience, providing a well-deserved break and an opportunity to forge even deeper connection. May our bond continue to strengthen and may we reach new pinnacle of success together. In closing, please accept our heartfelt thanks for your continued support. Your trust and partnership means the world to us, and we look forward to a future that is built on the same foundation of strength and excellence that have brought us to where we stand today. Thank you once again from the pillars of Bharat Cement Limited. Together we are very strong, very strong. We are very strong, very strong. And I believe that our such bonding will be continued and the bond will be more and more stronger in time to come. And it is really appreciable that this year, 23-24, we have achieved, not only achieved, we have crossed the milestone of our company in every aspect. It may be production, it may be sale, it may be collection. This is possible only because of your support. You are the pillars of our company, and we believe that the support which you have given this year, 23-24, this last year, and this year, each one of you will cross your milestone, whatever you have achieved last year. And if we could achieve that next year, we will celebrate in more befitting manner. So what I believe that your support really required for us, and we as a Bharat Valley family always welcome our family members and we treat our dealers as our family. हम लोग अपने कंपनी में जितने भी डीलर्स हैं उनको हम अपनी फैमिली मेंबर्स की तरह देखते हैं, और आप ही लोगों का सपोर्ट, आप लोग का प्यार जो हमें मिला है, उसी की बदौलत आज हम so many big cement plant have come up in Meghalaya, and always it was told by every cement company that Bharat cement will not be able to stand. हमेशा बड़े कंपनी बोलते थे कि बराक सीमेंट अब नहीं चला पाएंगे क्योंकि हम लोग के साथ वो टक्कर नहीं दे पाएंगे, लेकिन विद द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड आप लोग का पूरा सहयोग आज हम उनके साथ टक्कर दे पा रहे हैं और हम खड़े हैं। ऑल्दो आवर मार्जिन इज वेरी थिन, ये चूंकि किसी भी इंडस्ट्री का सक्सेस या उनका प्रॉफिट रॉ मटेरियल के नजदीक या पास में इंडस्ट्री होने से उनको ज्यादा होता है। हमारी इंडस्ट्री रॉ मटेरियल से 80 किलोमीटर दूर है, हमारा ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट भी ज्यादा है, प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट ज्यादा है, कैपेसिटी कम है तो हमारा ओवरहेड ज्यादा है, फिर भी हम लोगों ने पूरी लगन से हमारी सेल्स टीम ने, हमारी प्रोडक्शन टीम, सभी लोगों ने बहुत ही प्रयास किया, मेहनत किया कि जहां कहीं भी हम थोड़ा मार्जिन बचा सकते हैं हमने उसको सेव करने की कोशिश की, और उसी की बदौलत और आप लोग का जो सपोर्ट मिला उसी की बदौलत आज हम अपनी इंडस्ट्री को 300 टन से 1000 टन पे लेके आ पाए। तो मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप लोग का सपोर्ट इसी तरह हमें मिलता रहेगा और हम लोग बड़े बड़े कंपनी को टक्कर दे करके हम अपनी ब्रांड इमेज को और भी हाइट पे लेके जाएंगे, यही उम्मीद करता हूं। इसी के साथ और अधिक समय नहीं लेते हुए आप लोग को फिर से हमारी कंपनी की तरफ से ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं और ढेर बंडल बंडल बना करके धन्यवाद। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
This is the best location because it is the tri-junction of Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. Badarpur was the best location, so we started it. Mr. Dasgupta of Hallmark, it was known to my brother here. They were very much conversant with the cement technology. So the Hallmark gave us the technical consultancy and we got finance from
categories, category A, B and C, and I will take the name and that person shall please come on stage and please be honored. Firstly, I would like to call Jenny K. Larkin P. of Jenny Enterprise. She is the best, very outstanding leader category A Mizoram. Please give her a big round of applause.
Wait. No. Wait. Password.
Please give her a big round of applause. Best Valley Outstanding Dealer Category A, Mizoram. Now we proceed to second best Valley Outstanding Dealer Category A, Mizoram, LB Enterprise H. Lal Biazona. Please give a big round of applause. Hello. Photographer, please take the photo. Please give a big round of applause to him. Next is third best Valley Outstanding Dealer Category A, Mizoram, Ring Enterprise, PB Sanilana. He is getting the best Valley Outstanding Dealer Category B, Mizoram. Now in the category B, second best Valley Outstanding Dealer, Zualti Business Center, H. Lalpur. H. Lalpur, she is not here, so we'll hand over to her later. Okay. Third best Valley Outstanding Dealer Category B, Mizoram. Category B, Best Valley Outstanding Dealer, Mizoram, Kinkin Hardware, R. Lalchonama. यहाँ है Category B, third Best Valley Outstanding Dealer, Mizoram, LHM Enterprise,
P.
Hanoi. Mr. Prasun, where are you? Mr. Prasun and Vibhas Kandidas. Mr. Prasun, please go there. CEO is standing there. Please go. Vibhas Kandidas, Mr. Vibhas Kandidas. Where are you? Please give her a big round of applause, everybody. Please clap for her. Yeah. Mami. In category B, third best Valley Outstanding Leader, SME Business C, Lalding Sangha.
Hello, SMB.
Please give a big round of applause for him. He is going to make an entire video of the trip that is being made by us and send the link in the group. So sir, we are waiting for the link. He has recorded everything from the airport till here, everything. Please give a big round of applause. Please take your seat. Thank you. Now I would like to request Mr. Pawan Tulsianji to please come on stage. Mr. Pawan Tulsian, our GM Transport, will start the category C of the Mizoram zone. First is Best Very Outstanding Dealer category C, PC Sarla and Sons, PC Zosaniana. Please give him a big round of applause. Mami. Next is third best very outstanding dealer category Sri Mizopa Engineer Enterprise ST Sangha. Please give a big round of applause. Kapoor, please come. Next, I would like to invite SM Enterprise, Mr.
लड्डू आपकी माँ
Since best very outstanding year category B was not present earlier, now we would like to call Kingpin Hardware Al Sonama. Please give a big round of applause. Mr. Pawanji, please take a seat. Next, category C, Jenny Hardware, second best value outstanding dealer Mizoram, K. Lalthandami. In category C, third best value outstanding dealer, David S. Steel Fabrication, Zoran Sangma Sante. Now, I would like to request our CEO, Mr. Mukesh Agarwal ji, to please come on stage.
Now we are going to announce the name of our value dealer of Mizoram. Highest sale, highest, very strong seller and exclusive dealer for Mizoram, Jenny Enterprise. So I request Jenny to come here to take the memento, and it is proud feeling for us that she is dedicatedly selling our very strong cement. Big round of applause for her.
Mr. Vibhas ji, Barak Zone. Now we are moving on to Barak Zone. Category A, Best Value Outstanding Dealer Category A, Barak. Architecting Mr. Kamrul Islam. Please give a big round of applause. Next, category A, second best value outstanding dealer, Prova Trading, Mr. Vishal Paul. Please give a big round of applause for him. Please call your wife also. And I would like to request Mrs. Mukesh Agarwal to please come on stage. Please give a big round of applause for him and his wife. Next in the category A, third best value outstanding dealer, Roy Hardware, Mr. Vishnu Roy. Please give a big round of applause for him. I would like to request Mr. Vimal Kumar Sharma and his wife to please come on stage. I'd like to request Mr. Pawan Tulsian ji and his wife to please come on stage. Next, in the category A, we have outstanding performer and exclusive dealer Barak JK Hardware, Mr. Abdul Wasif. Please give a big round of applause for him. दादा थोड़ा स्माइल कर दीजिए। ओ हसन जी हाथ दीजिए, हाथ दीजिए। Please take your seat. Now we move on to the category B. Second best Valley Outstanding Dealer category B. Allied Traders, Mr. Pradeep Ghosh. Please give a big round of applause for him. जोरे हाथ ताली, जोरे हाथ ताली। We move on to third best Valley Outstanding Dealer category B. Meher Enterprise, Mr. Khurshid Ala Mazumdar. Please give a big round of applause for him. Next in category B, third best Valley Outstanding Dealer, Ahmed Hardware, Mr. Mohammad Hussain Ahmed. Please give a big round of applause for him. In the category B, Best Valley Exclusive Supporting Dealer, Munazir Hassan of Munazir Hassan. Please give a big round of applause for him. Mami, has Zolte come? Please call him now once.
मोनाजिर जी का कहना है कि मैं अवार्ड लेते वक्त मेरे बड़े भाई कमरुल जी को यहाँ बुला रहे हैं साथ में रहने के लिए, और अहमद हार्डवेयर के हुसैन भाई को भी यहाँ पर बुला रहे हैं, और जेके हार्डवेयर के हासिफ जी को भी यहाँ पर बुला रहे हो। तो आप लोग तीनों आ जाइए। पवन जी, बिमल जी आप भी आइए।
Next, we move on to category C of Barak. Category C, Best Value Outstanding Dealer, Pandey Hardware, Mr. Santosh Pandey. Please give a big round of applause to him. Next in the category, second best value outstanding dealer, SS Trading, Mr. Abdullah. Please give a big round of applause to him. Thank you, Mr. President. Next in the category C, third best value outstanding dealer, Barak Chaudhary Enterprise, Mr. Alameen Chaudhary. Next, I would like to request Mr. Prasun Tarakar to please come on stage. Mr. Prasun Tarakar, please come on stage. Mr. Prasun.
For whom?
We move on in the category C. Rally supporting dealer Bharat Enterprise, Mr. Sultan Ahmed Daskar. Please give a big round of applause to him. Mr. Vibhas Das. Mr. Vibhas Das. Mr. Vibhas Das, wherever you are, please come on stage. Now, in the Barak zone, last but not the least, rally supporting dealer, category C, Paul Hardware, Mr. Biswajit Paul. मिस्टर प्रसून मामी वहां पे खाली ज्वालिटी का बचा ना
बराक वैली सीमेंट लिमिटेड जो एक कंपनी है, वो कंपनी हमारा बराक वैली जो लोकल फैक्ट्री है, लोकल इंडस्ट्री है, ये हमारे बराक वैली के लिए लोकल इंडस्ट्री कितना जरूरी है आप लोग सब मालूम है, क्योंकि हमारा बराक वैली में दूसरा कोई इंडस्ट्री नहीं है भाई। इसलिए बराक वैली में जो लोकल इंडस्ट्री हुआ, इस इंडस्ट्री के बहुत सारी काम हमारे लोकल आदमी ने कर रहा है। आज हमारा बराक वैली का जितना ही डीलर है, आप लोग का सबका मालूम है, मेघालय का बहुत सारी कंपनी आज लीडिंग दे रहा है बराक वैली में, सेल करने के लिए लीडिंग दे रहा है, लेकिन वो क्यों होना चाहिए ये हम
say the vote of thanks right now. Here we are now in Andaman and Nicobar Island. So today that as you know, that the weather condition is not so well. So that is why the boat is going right here and here and here and here like that. So some people go to the bathroom and pass it out something from there. Okay, that is the natural things. However, next time, I think that we shall go to Japan or China mainland. All of us will go. Okay, whoever want to go to Jammu Kashmir will go. Those who want to go to Japan or China will go to China or Japan. That is correct, right? Then, however, it is right now that 11:30 is ringing, almost ringing. Then, the vote of thanks, what should I like to say is that,
One song is you will know.
I want to choose one song also. But before that, I want to say the vote of thanks. That you have spent your splendid, your precious time for the very strong cement. Okay, for the holiday party and holiday trips and all, and also as well as this dealer's meet right here in this what is that, Andaman and Nicobar Island. And then see, tomorrow I do not know exactly that the plane is going to be cancelled or not. But however, what everything is coming down to or in front of us, let us welcome us. Okay. So our family is lonesome because of us. Come home soon, Daddy. We miss you so much, they say. But however, we shall come home. We shall go home, however, in the name of the God, in the name of
our dealer from Barak Valley and all our dealers and good friends and very strong family from Mizoram, Barak Valley area. Lot of thanks कि आप लोगों ने इतना हम लोगों को प्यार दिया जिसका हम लोग आपको बोल नहीं सकते हैं। ये हमारी फैमिली है, ये हमारे डीलर नहीं हैं, ये वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग की फैमिली है और वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग इनको फैमिलियर ही मानती है, कभी भी डीलर नहीं मानती है। जैसे आज इन्होंने हमारा सीमेंट 300 टन से गर्मी लग रहा है, अंदर अलाउ करो।
वो अपने आप से करके चले जाएंगे तो उसके देखिए अगर आपको ज़्यादा नहीं तो हम लोग
फ्लैट चाहिए, फ्लैट चाहिए।
Đấy. Đấy. Tâm của kiến. Tức là ta ấy. Phải bắt đầu chuyển em. Rất phải cái gì lòng phải nè. Thì em khúc này hay. Electric vào về tầm bát xí mông. Cái không lâu cái đó. Cái bát này.
Jadi hebat sih elektrik kampung tu lah. Kita suka buat kecil macam tu.
Ừ.